Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. And this one is in our magnetic gray metallic exterior with the graphite Softex. Then coming to our window sticker, as far as options go, we do have the paint protection film, carpet mats, and the 2-in-1 LED daytime running lights, as well as fog lights and phone charger for a total of $36,610. Gas mileage is going to be 34 city and 30 out on the highway. Then coming down here to your wheels, we're running on Bridgestone Copia tires, and these are going to be your 18-inch alloys. Coming around back, rear parking sensors, rear backup camera, and a power hatch. And of course we do have smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. Coming in, this one does have 5 miles, foot on the brake, power button to start. So we'll go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 2.5 liter dual overhead cam inline 4-cylinder engine. It does feature dual variable valve timing with intelligence, and that is connected to our Toyota Hybrid Synergy Drive power plant. It does produce a net horsepower of 192, as well as 152 foot-pounds of torque, all going through a CVT and all-wheel drive with intelligence. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now before coming in, open our side mirrors, they're going to be body color, turn signal indicators, and you have blind spot monitoring. Checking out that graphite leatherette interior, you do have contrast stitching, all your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. You have 2-person memory as well for your seats, nice padded upper door panels, padding down here on your armrest. Power windows, locks, mirrors are over here on the dash, as well as your panel dim, lane keep assist, daytime running lights, and your power trunk. And turn down the AC a little bit. Coming down here to our steering wheel, it's going to be a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel. We do have our Bluetooth as well as audio controls, voice commands, now 4-way D-pad for that little center LCD, trip reset, and your dynamic radar cruise setting for your setting your car lengths, 3 car lengths, 2 car lengths, or 1 car length. Main cruise is down here. To the left of the steering wheel, automatic LED headlights as well as fog lights and tap to 3 blinks blinkers. Over on the right are variable and speed wipers. Dashboard has a nice stitched soft touch portion right here. Now coming to your audio system, checking out sources. They have AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, XM, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going home, nice split screen view that you can customize by going to settings, home screen, and you can choose a 2-panel or a 3-panel. Then going to navigation, it's a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. Going to destination, you can input an address from a street address. You can choose a point of interest or designate 6 different presets down below here. We also do have our dual zone auto climate controls with your driver and front passenger, fan speeds, zones, and then down here, EV, Eco, and Sport driving modes, dual stage heated seats for your front passengers, USB and auxiliary audio inputs with a 12-volt outlet, and another one down here, various storage cubbies around here, and this is going to be your CVT transmission, Sport mode with manual shift, and your backup camera right here on your audio screen. E-brake. Nice padded and stitched armrest that is dual tier. And coming over here, glove box that's damped with your owner's manuals in there and phone charger. Auto dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extender. Sunglass storage, as well as your controls for your power sliding sunroof. It is automatic, so we'll go ahead and close it back up. So that's about it for the front seat. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, of course that graphite Softex follows through. Door panels follow through as well with your padded stitched Softex, power window, and door storage. With this front seat slid a little bit farther back for a 5'9" driving frame, still adequate room. Footroom down below is more than adequate. 12-volt outlet down there with dual seat mount pockets. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. And your rear seats do recline and fold. Up top, dome light as well as damped cornering handles and coat hooks. So I think that about wraps it up for the back seat. Let's check out the cargo area. Now coming around back, to open up your power hatch, there's a button inside, a button on your key, as well as a membrane underneath your Toyota logo. So just press that, will chime, and open right up. Rear seats do fold down 60/40, bag hooks and illumination on either side, as well as some tie downs in all four corners. Temporary spare tire and jack are located underneath your cargo floor. And then you can actually adjust the height of your tailgate. So if you do want it to open up a little bit higher, press and hold that for 2 seconds. It will chime, and so now that's the desired height for the tailgate. Same can be said if you would like it to be lower. In case your garage is a little bit low, you can always adjust your tailgate accordingly. But that's about it for the 2018 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. If you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.